Okay, so I just stumbled upon this project called Gentleman.Dots, and it's like a whole development environment in one package.
Wait, really? A complete setup? That sounds convenient. What's included in this package?
It has NeoVim with LSB, various shells, terminal multiplexers, and even AI assistants like Claude Code and OpenCode. Pretty robust, right?
Absolutely. But how does integrating AI assistance into development tools actually work? I'm curious about that.
Good question. They essentially help with coding by suggesting completions or even debugging.
That's fascinating. But doesn't that also raise concerns about dependency on AI? I mean, what if it leads to less human insight?
True, and that could definitely be a downside. It's like using a GPS, you might forget how to navigate on your own.
Exactly. So, is the installation process complicated? I can't imagine setting up all those tools manually.
Actually, they've streamlined it quite a bit. There are options for homebrew and direct downloads, even for Android users.
That's super helpful. I love when tools cater to different platforms. But how does it handle different architectures?
Great point, it supports various architectures like ARM and x86 across macOS and Linux.
That's pretty versatile. But what about user experience? Is there any training involved?
Yes, there's a Vim Mastery Trainer included. It's like an RPG game for learning Vim keys. How cool is that?
Wait, seriously. An RPG for coding? That's unexpected. How does that even work?
You get to progress through different lessons, and it tracks your XP while you learn. It makes it fun.
That sounds engaging. But I wonder if gamifying coding might oversimplify complex concepts.
That's a valid concern. It could risk making users feel like they're mastering it without really understanding.
Right? So a balance between fun and thorough learning is crucial. How do they ensure that?
They have progressive lessons, which means you build on what you learn. It's structured but still engaging.
Nice. I hope they include documentation to help users when they hit roadblocks.
Absolutely, they offer an extensive documentation set covering everything from installation to advanced configurations.
That's reassuring. Still, I wonder about the long-term support. How do they handle updates?
They even have a bleeding edge branch for those who want the latest experimental features.
Interesting, but aren't experimental features sometimes unstable? That could be risky.
For sure, users need to be cautious, but it's a chance to test out cutting-edge tools before they become mainstream.
So it's like being part of a developer community, testing together. I see the appeal.
Exactly, community plays a huge role too. They have a Discord for support and collaboration.
That's awesome. It feels very inclusive. But what if someone faces issues? Is there a support system in place?
Yeah, they encourage users to report issues on GitHub, which is a solid way to keep improving.
That's a good approach. It keeps the project evolving with user feedback. Any licenses involved?
It's under the MIT license, which means users can modify, use, and share freely.
That's great. So they're not just looking for users but contributors too. It's a healthy ecosystem.
Totally, it's encouraging to see projects that foster community and creativity.
This is all so enlightening. I'm really curious to see how this will evolve over time.
Same here, it'll be interesting to watch how they handle user feedback and updates.
I can see it becoming a staple for developers if they keep this momentum going.
Yeah, and it also raises questions about the future of coding education.
Exactly. I wonder how many more tools like this will emerge in the next few years.
It's a thought-provoking journey for sure. Let's keep an eye on it together.
Definitely. I can't wait to see what new features they roll out next.
And who knows, maybe we'll find more innovative ideas like this.
For sure, the coding landscape is changing rapidly. We should stay curious.
Absolutely, here as to embracing the future of development.